are showing you how to make crock pot broccoli chicken Alfredo soup.
Oh, we're having a whole lot of fun.
Okay.
That's going in.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are cooking recipes up from recipes@crock.com, and we are showing you one of my favorite soups on the site right now. It is low carb and it is delicious. It is broccoli chicken Alfredo soup.
There's folks right now going, did y'all say Alfredo? Because they think of chicken Alfredo like you get at like Olive Garden. And well, I can tell you right now, that is definitely not low carb.
No, we didn't. There's no noodles in this. Now, if you're not eating low carb, go ahead and toss some noodles in. It is a soup, not a sauce, so it's not going to be quite as thick as what you would imagine with an Alfredo sauce, but it tastes amazing.
It's got that Alfredo flavor to it for sure.
And it's super, super simple to throw together. All you're going to do is take about 2.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken. We prefer thighs around here. And you dump it in.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! And then to that we are going to add 2 cups. Oh wait, I think I'm supposed to add.
You're getting the cart before the horse, or the cart before the chicken in this case.
Exactly. So then we're going to add some minced garlic to the top.
1 tablespoon of minced garlic.
If you aren't a garlic fan, you could probably reduce that down to a teaspoon. We just really, really enjoy that. And to that we're adding 12 ounces of broccoli florets, frozen broccoli florets. We've not tried this using fresh, so I can't tell you.
Because we like it frozen.
Yes, I like it frozen because I like being able to just, on the spur of the moment, grab things out of my freezer without having to worry about the produce going bad in my fridge. I do prefer to use florets in this recipe because if you use like chopped broccoli, a lot of times it will like just fall apart when it cooks in the crock pot. So when we use the crock pot, we like to use florets whenever possible. So this is 12 ounces of broccoli florets, and you just dump it in there. And then to that we are going to add 2 cups of chicken broth, and you just pour it on in and around it. And
1 cup.
1 cup of heavy cream.
And since you handled the chicken, I touched the bottom of the plate, I'm safe. Salt and pepper to taste, so I'm not going to go too crazy on the salt. Maybe a couple pinches of it.
Yeah, you can always add salt at the end, and your chicken broth already has salt.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, because I'm an odd kind of guy.
Now, after this is done cooking on low for 4 to 5 hours until
the chicken is done, or as we say around here, you know it's edible when... I'll let you finish that thought in the comments down below. As much as we put you in the school of chicken, you should know what I'm saying. You know it's edible when it's... And that's what we're going to do after we've cooked this for 4 to 5 hours.
And then after that, we're going to add 2 more ingredients. Butter and shredded Parmesan.
We'll show you that in just a little bit. We're going to put you in a little bit of suspense. But we're going to show you in 3, 2, 1. And now it is time for the next step with this wonderful soup. Go ahead, baby. What do you got to do next?
Yes. So what we're going to do is we're going to carefully fish out all of our thighs. You can throw them in a mixer if you want. I'm just going to pull them out of here.
Yes, because now our chicken is shreddable.
Ah, he's giving you a clue to the pop quiz.
Actually, I'm giving him the answer.
Oh, okay. So we're just going to pull these out so we can shred it and mix in the other ingredients, and try not to break that broccoli up too much. It's going to break down a little bit because that's...
Do your best not to let it.
Yeah, I mean, you know what it's like. Broccoli cheese soup. Your broccoli's going to be a little broke down, but it's super tender right now.
See, what we usually do is we'll take this and we'll toss it in our mixer and run it for about maybe 10-15 seconds to break up that chicken. But
you can do it with 2 forks, too.
Well, I use the mixer today for another recipe, and I don't feel like doing the dishes quite yet, so we're going to let Cris do it with 2 forks.
Honesty is the best policy. So while I stand over here and shred, he's going to mix in the other 2 ingredients.
Which is 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese. Just like that.
And I don't know if you can tell or not, but this is like totally fall apart.
Yeah,
I'm literally just...
Yeah, you're mushing it. And this is 1/2 a stick of butter that I've broken up into pats.
Now. Be gentle.
Gentle. Be gentle. Pay attention to what she says, people. Trust me. And all you want to do is melt down that butter.
Okay, now you can stop because you're going to have to stir in the chicken here in a minute.
Yeah. You want to melt down that butter and as well as that Parmesan cheese and just kind of get it all integrated into that awesome broth. Let me tell y'all something right now. That smells so good right now. Like, I want to eat it just like it is. Oh my gosh, that smells good.
Just wait. You're gonna
like
love
the broccoli's cooked up, so you can smell the broccoli. The garlic in there, you could smell it. It's just got an amazing aroma to it.
Okay, chicken's ready.
Your turn. Go ahead.
So we're gonna just.
And since you're over there, and I'm terrified now to stir up that broccoli. How about if you go ahead?
Okay, I'm just gonna dump it in.
I'm gonna get a spoon ready for myself.
Okay.
Might even get one for you.
So you're just returning the chicken back to the soup.
Splattered one.
Yeah. Okay. And then we're just going to carefully stir. That butter is still melting, which I'm a little surprised because that was really hot. And now...
I think it's close enough to taste test time.
I think it's close enough too.
Oh, go ahead.
I got a nice glob of cheese on there.
Yeah, well that's good. That means the cheese is melting up.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, hey, here, I got it. I got this.
Oh, you're going to take one for the team, right?
This is my favorite way of doing dishes.
Okay, so now we're just going to spoon it up. Look at all that
stringy cheese.
You can serve this with extra parm if you would like, sprinkled on top.
That's got plenty in it.
I'm going to make sure I'm going to get some of the broccoli too.
That's funny though, speaking of Olive Garden, you know like when y'all go to like an Italian restaurant or someplace that'll serve you freshly grated Parmesan cheese, I'm the guy that says, they'll say, would you like some Parmesan cheese? I'm like, sure. And they'll say, okay, say when. And I sit there and do this.
He makes people
until it gets uncomfortable, and then they look at me, and I'm like, I didn't tell you to stop.
You guys would never guess that he would make people uncomfortable, would you?
I like to make them feel like family. You, my dear.
Okay, go for it. Be careful, it's hot.
Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. That, I think I bragged about the smell of this enough. It smells amazing. Let me get some of that broth in there too.
Yes.
Gosh, I've got my cheddar. Mmm.
Is that hot?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's hot, or oh, yeah, it tastes good?
Oh, yeah. Both. Mmm. I tell y'all, some of y'all I know are big chicken breast fans. Chicken breast serves a good purpose. I mean, look at Chick-fil-A. They're making their millions off of it. But right here, we love thighs. And the reason that I love thighs in this is because it just falls apart in your mouth. And it's that dark meat flavor that comes with it. And
you could totally use chicken breast in this, or chicken tenders, either one, if that's your preference. But if you like thighs, I would totally do thighs in this.
I personally would salt that just a little bit more. And y'all saw that I just put a couple sprinkles in there.
And I would put more parm on individual servings just to kind of give it a little bit more of that Alfredo.
Are you done good? Because I want to.
Base, but it's totally. This is one of our favorite soups. Oh, he's grabbing some salt. It's one of our favorite soups, and it's definitely something.
That's how the chefs do it.
Is that it?
Yeah, I guess.
That's about the extent of the chefness that happens in this house.
That's true.
But this is definitely one of those low carb soups we like to enjoy, especially in the fall. And so I'm very excited that we have a batch of this now waiting for us. Yeah.
Oh man, I tell you what, you know it's good when Mikey goes all Stevie Wonder with every bite. Watch this.
Michael.
Oh, good.
Well, we definitely appreciate you guys hanging out with us today. If you like this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. If you're not already a member of the Crock Posse,
what are you waiting on? Just
click subscribe and you'll become a member of our Crock Potting family. And if you want to be notified every time we upload a video, click the ding-a-ling down below. That's that bell. And whatever you do,
laugh often.
Eat good food.
Be quiet.
Bye. guys, today we are You're in frame.
Okay.
Addie, are you okay for us to proceed now?
Carry on.
How to make our crock pot broccoli chicken Alfredo. You'd think I know the name. I love it.
You wrote the post.
I know. I love this soup.
Oh, we're having a whole lot of fun. Okay.
Yay! That's a wrap. Congratulations.
That was just the intro. That's annoying.
Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen.
One more time because you were doing this. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Welcome back.
I'm leaving.
If you want to see the latest, click on the left right here. If you feel like subscribing, click on the right, my dear. And if you think we're funny enough to send us money, click the Patreon